Hello friends, I am Shubham Sharma from Toppersnotes. This video is about IAS optional geography notes which are provided by Toppersnotes. So let's unpack this parcel and see what books do we have. As you can see friends, we have 4 books over here. Let's have a look over the syllabus. So friends, our first book is volume 1. Let's have a look over the index. As you can see, here is our index. Our first topic in this geography, which starts from here. Factors has been given over here. Factors influencing Earth's surface or crust. Local wind topic starts from here. Let's have a look over the next book, which is volume 2. This is our index for the book volume 2. Our first topic in this is oceanography. Sea level changes topic starts from here. Which is described in some steps. Northern mountain goat topic starts from here. Indian biome topic starts from here. Let's have a look at the next book, which is volume 3. So the index for volume 3 is here. Our first topic in this is regional analysis. It starts from here. Cultural reasons of world topic starts from here. Green revolution and its impact on Indian agriculture topic starts from here. Let's have a look at the next book, which is volume 4. Let's have a look at the index for this book, which is here. Our first topic in this book is industries, which starts from here. Indian trade topic starts from here. Hill area development program topic starts from here. So friends, if you found this video informational, please like the video and subscribe our YouTube channel. For further details, you can visit our website. For that, the link is given in the description below. Thank you friends.